Singh, and today I am showing, or you can say, I am going and talking through my code of my project Alien Shooter, which is a video game. So, first of all, as we can see here, I have a total of 13.cpp and .h files which are used in this game. The main is the program.cpp. As we can see here, first of all, I have loaded the bundle of the bitmaps and the data I have required in this game here. And then in the int main, a window is opened named Alien Shooter with a screen width of 1600 and a screen height of 950. Then the new var function is called, which is a which is a type of var data type. Then there is a while loop, and it will run until and unless there is a request of quitting the game, as it means not quit requested. I've also added escape key so that if the person presses escape key, the game will end. Now here there are mainly three procedures we can see: handle input, update var, draw var. Handle input is present in the spaceship.cpp, which means that it controls the input we give to the ship for left, right, 1, 2, 3 for the changing the bitmap of the ship. Then there is update var and draw var, which both are present in the spacevar.cpp, as I can show here the declaration here. Now in spacebar.cpp, I will make you a quick overview, not in the details, so that the video should not be a long video. In update war, first of all, leave this. First of all, I should show you that in update war and in drawer, here are the update procedures called respectively from the CPP files of that procedure, like update ship from the spaceship, update ship bullet from the spaceship bullet, update alien from the alien, update alien bullet from the alien bullet, update power from the powers. And same for the draw ship bullet, draw alien bullet, draw power, draw ship, same. Now, coming back to this thing, this is the main part of my game which handles everything in my game. First of all, adding the sprites. Here are four procedures which has been declared here: ship, add alien bullet, add ship bullet, and add power, which are called in update for, which adds the bitmap of the game. Four possible bitmaps are there: ship bullet, alien bullet, and power. Next are the removal of the extra bitmaps which cross the screen margins, y-axis mainly I am talking about, which are called right after the add procedures, which are here: removing sprites, remove extra, remove extra, remove extra, remove extra, which means that like remove extra alien bullet and remove extra ship bullet means if the ship bullet crosses the up margin and the alien bullet crosses the down margin, they will be removed. And same as the extra alien extra power means that if the alien or the power crosses the down margin, they also will be removed. And the reason for doing this is that if they are not removed, they will cause a lot of bulk, as the vector size will be increased and the game will be laggier, or we can say will be slower. So this is a smart move I have made. And then there are the main thing of the game, which is checking the collisions. Check alien collision, check alien bullet collision, check ship collision, check alien ship collision, check power collision, which mainly checks different type of collisions, like in between the bullet of the alien and the bullet of the ship, when the ship's bullet will be colliding with the alien, when the alien's bullet will collide with the ship, when the ship will colliding exactly with the alien, when the power will be colliding with the ship. And hence there are different outcomes, as these are declared here. We can see I have made the comments perfectly, checking the collisions. And there are the different sounds that we can see here, and there are different their outcomes, like when the air like if the ship's bullet will collide with the alien, there will be increment in the time. And like if the ship will and if the ship or the ship's bullet will collide with the my if the alien and alien will collide with my ship, there will decrease in my health. So there are different type of things. And while making this, I face a lot of problems as there as for as we can see here, I have used nested for loops, which was a smart move by the way, but it made me so longer to think that how to make both vectors use at the same time, and different type of thing like here I have made that if the F key is pressed, the shift bullet will be made added. This thing also took us so long to me, and there were different things I wanted to do in this task, but I was unable as there was so much error and things. So I made it so simple. Now, what is left? Now left is HUD. HUD of my game mainly stores the data that is secondary, like my game's background, HUD of health and time, which we can say here, and exactly the red bar and blue bar. And we can also see there if the health and time, which are declared, like we can see here in the ship.h, health and time are decreased, which I showed you earlier up there. Also, their bar will decrease, then this HUD is called here. And now at the end, here are the end credits, or we can say end scenes. Like if there are two conditions, if my health is lesser than zero, or my time is lesser than zero, or we can say they are empty. So the screen will be there of game over, showing the game over wallpaper, and a game over sound, which is so funny. And there will be, and I have chosen a different font to show the score at the end, that what score a person has gained. And at the meantime, when the game will be playing there will be score in a small font like here at 10 and 210 coordinates here. You will see that in screenshot I have shared. So this was my talking to the code and showing that what exactly I have made some smart moves. I have shown you like nested for loops and removing the power of for the uh, removing extra power ups so there is a not bulk, and also I have made every single task with a different type of sound effect, so there is a distinct sound